Hey everyone, in this video we'll be learning about .NET MAUI collection view, navigation as well as selection of each individual items using the C#. So here you can see I'll just select Alex and it goes to page 1, and if I select brand it goes to page 2. So it depends upon your use cases regarding what type of implementation you have to do. Just like for example, if id equals to 1, go to some page 1. If id equals to 2, goes to page 2. If id equals to 3, it goes to page 3. So it depends upon your use cases. So what I have done is I have actually taken the reference of my previous project, that is our .NET MAUI collection view filtering C# implementation. So the same project was taken from the source code, and then the navigation as well as selection of individual items were done. So at first I'll just show it to you. What actually has happened is the changes. So here I have not touched the view model for sure, and what I have done is in the UI, that is our collection view sub UI, I have implemented these two codes, that is selection mode equals to selection mode dot single and selection change. So selection mode has different ways, that like there are multiple selections too that can be done within the collection view. So selection mode as single, let me put as it is, and selection change has the event handler property, that is handle collection view selection changed, and this is the only code that is needed for navigation to new pages. And for the navigation, I'll just let you know what has happened on the navigation side. So before that, whenever any of the item is selected on the collection view, so here is the items. So first of all, it will get the item object, okay, and this object has the object is the model, and we know that, and this model has some of the properties, name and address. You can just put some IDs over here too, okay. So id equals to 1 2 3 4 and add it inside your view model, okay, just like this, like id equals to id equals to some 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then add it over here and get the items. And if collection view item dot id equals to 1, then go navigate to page 1, and if id equals to 2, navigate to page 2. So it depends upon your use cases, how you really want to go. But before that, you need to understand that our application starts from app cell, that is our app.xaml.cs, and you know that, right? So first of all, we need to register the pages, how many pages are there, that is our new page 1, new page 2, new page 3, new page 4. So this basically are two pages. So in order to create a C# page, and you know that how to create it, new .NET MAUI content page C#, just give a new page 1, new page 2, okay. And I just modified these two statements over here, and I have registered the two page with the help of this key. These are just two keys which helps to register two pages, and we can give as we like, and to in order to navigate to each of the individual pages. But make sure that in our appcell.xaml you have used the local equals the collection view sub UI, that is our UI page, because this cell is calling the main UI for any type of navigations or anything as you like. But our main motto is that we are going to initialize this UI whenever the application starts. So this is how really the code of the UI looks like. And in my previous video, I have already talked about this in details regarding the UI implementation and how it is done using the dependencies, that is our .NET MAUI markup, as well as the and then .NET MAUI community toolkit .MAUI core and the markup, the plugins that are required. So I think I have pretty much explained about the implementation of this collection view C# navigation as well as the item selection. That's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep in touch for our next tutorials.